Imagine Earth 66 million years ago. A lush, greenhouse world with no polar ice, where the continents were covered in thick, vibrant forests and the air was heavy with humidity. The climate was warm and stable, creating a paradise for life to flourish in ways we can barely imagine today. Tropical forests stretched nearly from pole to pole, blanketing the planet in endless green. Even the farthest reaches of the north and south were teeming with life, a far cry from the icy wastelands we know now. Dinosaurs dominated every environment. Their presence felt everywhere. Towering giants like Alamosaurus thundered through the forests, their massive footsteps shaking the very ground beneath them, leaving trails in the soft earth as they searched for food. On the open plains, herds of Triceratops grazed peacefully, their horns and frills creating a formidable defense against predators. These social animals moved together in groups, always alert to danger. Hadrosaurs, the duck-billed dinosaurs, called to each other in massive herds, their voices echoing across the landscape. They communicated with a variety of sounds, from low bellows to sharp cries, keeping their young close and their group united. Above it all, pterosaurs soared through the skies, some with wingspans as wide as small planes. These masters of the air glided effortlessly, scanning the world below for food and rivals, casting huge shadows over the land. In the vast prehistoric seas, mosasaurs reigned as apex predators. These enormous marine reptiles hunted everything from swift fish to other marine reptiles, patrolling the ancient oceans with powerful tails and jaws lined with razor-sharp teeth. Beneath the towering giants, small feathered dinosaurs darted through the dense undergrowth, hunting insects and hiding from larger predators. Their agility and intelligence helped them survive in a world filled with danger. Meanwhile, mammals, tiny, nocturnal and cautious, lived in the shadows. They scurried through the underbrush, foraging for food and avoiding the ever-present threat of dinosaurs, waiting patiently for their moment to rise. The world was a vibrant, balanced ecosystem, teeming with life of every shape and size. It seemed as if this reign of giants would last forever, with each creature playing its part in the ancient drama of survival. But as the sun set on this golden age, a sense of foreboding lingered in the air. The world was changing, though its inhabitants did not know it. Unseen and unstoppable, a silent executioner, a massive asteroid, was racing through the darkness of space, hurtling toward Earth at unimaginable speed. The age of dinosaurs, for all its glory and power, was living on borrowed time. The world of giants was about to face its greatest challenge, and nothing would ever be the same again. A 10-kilometer-wide asteroid, forged in the early solar system, was on a collision course with Earth. Traveling faster than a bullet, it blazed through the atmosphere, brighter than 1,000 suns. Its target, a shallow sea off today's Yucatan Peninsula, rich in sulfur-laden rocks. The dinosaurs below, oblivious, continued their daily lives, unaware of the doom above. In moments, their world would change forever. The cosmic intruder had arrived. The countdown to extinction had begun. The impact unleashed energy beyond any volcanic eruption or earthquake in history. A blinding flash, a crater 180 kilometers wide, and a shockwave that circled the globe. Tsunamis hundreds of meters high devastated coastlines. Molten rock and superheated dust shot into space, then rained back down, turning the sky into an oven. For hours, radiant heat ignited forests and grasslands worldwide. Anything exposed was incinerated. Only those hidden underground or underwater survived. The world burned in continent-spanning firestorms. This was just the beginning. For the survivors, darkness and cold awaited. After the fires, a shroud of soot and ash enveloped the planet. Sunlight vanished, plunging Earth into months of darkness and freezing cold. Photosynthesis stopped. Plants and phytoplankton died, collapsing food webs on land and sea. Temperatures plummeted, even the tropics froze. Acid rain fell, poisoning water and soil. The world became a toxic, frozen wasteland. The paradise of the dinosaurs was gone. The survivors now faced a relentless global winter. Soot and dust blocked the sun, keeping the world in a deep freeze. Dinosaurs, adapted for warmth, struggled to find shelter and food. Oceans turned acidic, killing plankton and corals, collapsing marine food chains. The cold and darkness lasted for years, followed by decades of chaos. Only the adaptable and small could endure. The giants, once rulers, were now doomed by their size. The world's balance was shattered. Most species would not survive. When the plants vanished, the world's foundation crumbled. Herbivores, once thriving in lush forests and sprawling plains, were the first to feel the devastation. With nothing left to graze on, their numbers plummeted rapidly. The mighty Triceratops and the gentle herds of hadrosaurs, who once roamed in great numbers, now wandered aimlessly, growing weaker with each passing day. Their migration paths, once bustling with life, became eerily empty. Abandoned nesting grounds told the story of a world in collapse, as the last of the herds faded into memory. Carnivores like T-Rex, deprived of fresh prey, turned to scavenging the remains of the fallen. Desperation drove them to fight over scraps, and soon even the fiercest predators began to starve. The struggle for survival grew more brutal. Weak and emaciated, the once mighty hunters staggered through the wasteland, their strength fading as hunger gnawed at them relentlessly. The massive bodies that once gave dinosaurs an edge now became their downfall. These giants needed vast amounts of food, but the dying world could no longer provide for them. Their skeletons littered the land, silent reminders of a vanished era. Yet, in the shadows of extinction, smaller creatures endured. Mammals and lizards, able to survive on little, scavenged what they could. Roots, seeds, and the remains left behind by the giants. Insects, ever adaptable, fed on decaying matter and scraps, eking out an existence in the harshest of conditions. Life clung on, even as the world grew emptier. Extinction was not sudden, but a slow, grinding process. Each day the world grew quieter, the air heavy with loss. The sun set over empty plains, casting long shadows over a land stripped of its former glory. The bones of giants lay scattered across the cracked earth, a haunting testament to the end of an age. Where once there was thunderous movement, now only silence remained. The age of dinosaurs ended not with a cataclysmic explosion, but with the slow, relentless grip of hunger. Their reign faded away, leaving behind only echoes and bones. In the aftermath, only the adaptable survived. Small mammals, resilient and resourceful, emerged into the dawn of a new world, ready to inherit the earth. The extinction of plants and plankton shattered the food chain from the bottom up. Herbivores vanished, starving carnivores followed, and the entire dinosaur ecosystem collapsed. In the oceans, the death of phytoplankton doomed krill, fish, and giant marine reptiles. Specialized dinosaurs unable to adapt perished quickly. Generalists, those able to eat anything, had a slim chance. Pterosaurs and ammonites disappeared forever. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction reset evolution's course. Life's interconnectedness was laid bare. Remove one link and all can fall. The world's greatest dynasty was powerless against a broken food chain. The extinction of the dinosaurs was not caused by a single event, but rather by a perfect storm of catastrophe and bad luck that changed the course of life on Earth forever. For millions of years, dinosaurs had dominated the planet, thriving in lush forests and vast plains. But their reign was suddenly and violently interrupted. Their massive size, which once gave them an advantage as rulers of their environment, became a fatal flaw when the world was plunged into darkness and cold. Food sources dwindled, and the climate shifted rapidly, making survival nearly impossible for such enormous creatures. Unlike smaller animals, dinosaurs couldn't burrow underground to escape the harsh conditions, nor could they hibernate through the long, cold months. Their bodies and behaviors simply weren't built for such rapid change, and they couldn't adapt quickly enough to survive. Even their eggs and hatchlings, once symbols of hope for the next generation, stood little chance in the chaos. The fragile young were especially vulnerable to the new, unforgiving environment, and few survived to adulthood. Meanwhile, smaller, faster reproducing animals like mammals and birds found ways to endure. Their ability to hide, adapt, and reproduce quickly gave them an edge in a world turned upside down, allowing them to survive where giants could not. The asteroid impact was an accident of cosmic proportions, an unpredictable event that unleashed firestorms, tsunamis, and a global winter. No amount of evolutionary success could have prepared the dinosaurs for such devastation. The dinosaurs' reign ended not from weakness or failure, but from a disaster so immense that no creature, no matter how mighty, could withstand its effects. The world they knew was gone in an instant. Today, their bones remain as silent witnesses to a lost world, reminding us of the fragility of life and the power of sudden change in Earth's history. Yet life endured. Small mammals, burrowers, and birds, descendants of dinosaurs, survived by adapting and seizing new opportunities. With the giants gone, ecological niches stood empty. Mammals diversified rapidly, evolving into new forms: herbivores, carnivores, swimmers, flyers. Birds filled the skies once ruled by pterosaurs. The extinction cleared the stage for a new era. The age of mammals began, leading eventually to us, Homo sapiens. Without the asteroid, dinosaurs might still rule. The end of their reign was the beginning of ours. From catastrophe came the birth of the modern world.